Hey there! Welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to make your life easier. Got a clogged kitchen sink? It's one of those annoying household problems that can really disrupt your day. Don't worry, I've got a quick and easy trick to fix it without calling a plumber or getting your hands dirty. Imagine solving this problem in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. This method is so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't know about it sooner. First, let's talk about the problem. Understanding why your sink gets clogged can help prevent it in the future. Kitchen sinks tend to clog over time due to food scraps and grease buildup. It's super annoying, right? These tiny particles and grease can accumulate and form a stubborn blockage. But no worries, because I'm about to share a plumber's secret hack that you can do yourself. This trick is not only effective, but also incredibly easy. All you need is some dish soap and hot water. Yep, that's it. No fancy tools or expensive chemicals required. Here's what you do. Step 1. Remove the sink strainer. This will give you clear access to the drain. If there's any leftover residue, just give it a quick rinse. A clean strainer will help the process go smoothly. Step 2. Grab a bottle of dish soap and pour about half of it down the drain. The dish soap is key here. The dish soap acts like a degreaser, breaking down all those nasty deposits. It's amazing how effective this simple household item can be. Let it sit and work its magic for about 10 minutes. This gives the soap enough time to break down the grease and grime. Step 3. Now, plug the drain. This step is crucial for the next part of the process. You can use the built-in sink stopper or any other plug you have handy, just make sure it creates a good seal. Step 4. Fill the sink with hot water. The hotter, the better. Boiling water works best if you can manage it safely. The hot water will help dissolve and flush out the gunk that the dish soap has loosened up. It's like giving your drain a deep clean. The combination of hot water and dish soap is powerful enough to tackle even the toughest clogs. Step 5. Release the drain plug and watch as the hot water and dish soap mixture rushes down the drain, taking all that goop with it. It's so satisfying to see the water flow freely again. Let it run for about 2-3 minutes to make sure everything gets flushed out properly. This ensures that no residue is left behind. And there you have it. A clear, clog-free sink in just a few simple steps. It's quick, easy, and effective. A clear, clog-free sink in just a few simple steps. No plumber, no mess, just a quick and easy fix. No plumber, no mess, just a quick and easy fix. Plus, you save money and avoid harsh chemicals. So next time your kitchen sink gets clogged, remember this secret hack. It's a game changer. If you found this tip helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more handy home hacks. We've got plenty more tips to make your home life easier. Thanks for watching and happy unclogging. See you in the next video.